Hello students, welcome to Avanit Academy. In today's class, we'll solve problem on depreciation that is under diminishing balance method or written down value method. Let's start the problem number 2. The following particulars are related to ABC company. Number 1. Machine P purchased on 1st October 2011 at rupees 30,000. Number 2. Machine Q purchased on 1st January 2013 at rupees 24,000. Number 3. Machine P sold for rupees 25,600 on 31st March 2013. Company charges depreciation at 10% per annum on 31st March every year. Show machinery account and depreciation account for 3 years under diminishing balance method. So in this problem, two machines are purchased. That is machine P and machine Q. And this machine P sold for rupees 25,600 on 31st March 2030. And on these machineries, we have to charge 10% depreciation every year. That is on 31st March every year. And we have to prepare machinery account and depreciation account for 3 years under which method? Diminishing balance method or written down value method. In previous video, we have solved problem on straight line method or fixed installment method. So this is the 12 marks problem. Let's start the solution. Solution. First, we have to prepare machinery account. Columns are date, particulars, JF, amount, date, particulars, JF, amount. Read the first point. Machine P purchased on 1st October 2011 at rupees 30,000. So the financial year starts from 1st April 2011 to 31st March 2012. Next financial year, 1st April 2012 to 31st March 2013. Next financial year, 1st April 2013 to 31st March 2014. So, ಈ ತರ ನಾವು 3 ವರ್ಷದ So like this, we have to prepare 3 years depreciation account and machinery account. That is 2011 to 12, 2012 to 13, 2013 to 14. So this machinery P purchased on 1st October 2011. So this machinery P is purchased on middle of this 11 to 12 financial year. So let's pass the entry for purchasing the machinery. Entry is machinery account debited to bank account. So ನಾವೇನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು machinery account ಇನ debit side ಈ ಎಂಟ್ರಿಯನ್ನ ಪಾಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. So write the debit side. Machinery is purchased on 1st October 2011. Write the date. Machinery account debited to bank account. To bank account and the machinery amount is 30,000. Got this entry? For purchasing the machinery P, entry is machinery account debited to bank account. Next, what we have to do? We have to calculate depreciation on this machinery P. So on 31st March 2012, we have to calculate depreciation on machinery P. Credit side, right? Date 31st March 2012. End ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಡೆಪ್ರಿಸಿಯೇಷನ್ ಅನ್ನ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. 31st March 2012 particulars column by depreciation account. Machine P value is 30,000. And rate of depreciation given in this paragraph. Company charges depreciation at 10% per annum. So rate of depreciation is 10%. ಸೊ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ 30,000 ಇಂಟು 10% ಮಾಡಬಾರ್ದು. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಈ ಮಷಿನರಿಯನ್ನ ಮಿಡಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಪರ್ಚೇಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಏಪ್ರಿಲ್ 2011 ಗೆ ಪರ್ಚೇಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ 30,000 ಇಂಟು 10%. But this machinery P was purchased on 1st October 2011, middle of this financial year. So from 1st April So from 1st October 2011 to 31st March 2012 ತನಕ ಎಷ್ಟು ಮಂತ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಕೌಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. On that we have to calculate depreciation. So ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಅಕ್ಟೋಬರ್ 2011 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಖರೀದಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ 31st ಮಾರ್ಚ್ ತನಕ ಎಷ್ಟು ಮಂತ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ? ಅಕ್ಟೋಬರ್, ನವೆಂಬರ್, ಡಿಸೆಂಬರ್, ಜನವರಿ, ಫೆಬ್ರವರಿ, ಮಾರ್ಚ್. So total 6 months. So right here 6 divided by 12. 30,000 is the value of machinery, 10% is the rate of depreciation, and the period is 6 months. 6 divided by 12. Do the calculation. 30,000 into 10% into 6 divided by 12. Depreciation amount is 1,500. So on this machinery P, the depreciation amount for the financial year 11-12 is 1,500. Close the debit side, that is 30,000. Write the same amount, credit side 30,000. From this 30,000 minus depreciation amount, that is 1,500. So the remaining balance is 28,500. To that right, 31st March 2012, by balance carried down 28,500. Same amount will be brought down to the next year, to the next financial year. Debit side right, 1st April 2012, to balance brought down, amount is 28,500. Read the point number 2. Machine Q purchased on 1st January 2013 at rupees 24,000. So next financial year ಯಾವಾಗ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ? 1st April 2012 ಗೆ, ಮತ್ತೆ ಎಂಡ್ ಯಾವಾಗ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ? 31st March 2013. So ಈ 2013, so in this 2012 to 13 financial year ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮತ್ತೊಂದು ಮಷಿನರಿಯನ್ನ ಖರೀದಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. That is machine Q purchased on 1st January 2013. So for that entry is machinery account debited to bank account. So debit side right, machine Q is purchased on which date? 1st January 2013. So right here, debit side 1st January 2013 to bank account. To bank account, machine Q amount is 24,000. Next is, see the point 3. Machine P sold for rupees 25,600 on 31st March 2013. Same year ಗೆ, that is 2012 to 13 financial year ಗೆ, machine P ಅನ್ನು ಅವರು ಸೇಲ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. Sold for rupees 25,600 on 31st March 2013. So second financial year ಏನಿದೆ 12 to 13. ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ 31st March 2013 ಗೆ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ? ಮಷಿನ್ P ಅನ್ನ ಸೇಲ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. So before selling the machinery, we have to calculate depreciation on that machinery. So right here, credit side, that is 31st March 2013, because machine P is sold for rupees, because machine P is sold on 31st March 2013. So right here, by depreciation account. By depreciation account. So here depreciation is calculated on the original value of the machinery or written down value of the machinery, written down value machinery, because we are solving the problem on which method? Diminishing balance method or written down value method. So now the value of machinery is starting value is to 30,000. Okay, the original value of machine P is 30,000. From this 30,000 minus the depreciation amount. Depreciation amount on machine P is 1,500. Okay. So now the value of machinery is 28,500. So already we have got here. This is 28,500. So now the value of machinery P is 28,500. And on this value we have to calculate depreciation. Okay, this is the written down value method or diminishing balance method. By depreciation account, value of machinery P is 28,500. Rate of depreciation is same, that is 10%. 28,500 into 10%, depreciation amount is 2,850. So this depreciation amount is, so 2,850 is the depreciation amount of machine P. Next, calculate depreciation on this new machinery, which is purchased on 1st January 2013. Okay. 1st January 2013 ಗೆ new machinery ಅನ್ನ purchase ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೇವೆ. That is machine Q. Date is 31st March 2013 by depreciation account. This is on P machinery and this is Q machinery. By depreciation account, machine Q value is 24,000. Rate of depreciation same 10%. So direct ಆಗಿ 24,000 into 10% ಮಾಡಬಾರ್ದು. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ this machine Q is purchased on which date? 1st January 2013. So 1st January 2013 to 31st March 2013 ತನಕ ಎಷ್ಟು ಮಂತ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಕೌಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. January, February, March. So total 3 months. So here take 3 divided by 12. 24,000 is the value of machinery. Rate of depreciation is 10% and the period is 3 divided by 12. So the depreciation amount on machinery Q is rupees 600. Got this depreciation calculation? So depreciation ಅನ್ನ calculate ಮಾಡಿ ಆಯ್ತು ಎರಡು machine ಮೇಲೆ. Machine P and machine Q. Now we'll pass entry for selling the machinery. Machinery P sold for rupees 25,600. So for selling, entry is bank account debited to machinery account. So this machinery account is credited by bank account. Credit side right, date, machine is sold on 31st March 2013, given in the problem. By bank account. Purchase idre to bank account agutte, sale idre by bank account. So this machine P sold for rupees 25,600. So next we have to find out that on this transaction we have earned profit or loss. So ಈ transaction ಮೇಲೆ machine P ಅನ್ನ ನಾವು sell ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೇವೆ for rupees 25,600. So ಈ selling transaction ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಮಗೆ profit ಆಗಿದೆ ಇಲ್ಲ loss ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ we have to find out. For that we have to prepare a note. Calculation of profit or loss on sale of machine P. So the cost price of machine P is 30,000. Okay, the machine P was purchased for rupees 30,000. That we have to write cost price of machine P. Next, less total depreciation up to the date of sale. So ಸೇಲ್ ಮಾಡೋ ತನಕ 31st March 2030 ತನಕ ಎಷ್ಟು ಡೆಪ್ರಿಸಿಯೇಷನ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಈ ಮಷೀನ್ ಪಿ ಮೇಲೆ that we have to take here. So that is 11 to 12, 1,500 and 12 to 13 financial year ಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟಾಗಿದೆ depreciation amount 2,850. Refer the machinery account. Okay. So for the year 2011 to 12, depreciation amount is 1,500. And for the year 2012 to 13, the depreciation amount on machine P is 2,850. And total of these two amount is 1,500 plus 2,850. Total is 4,350. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತು ಈ ಡೆಪ್ರಿಸಿಯೇಷನ್ ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ನಾನು ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೇನೆ ಮಷಿನರಿ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಅನ್ನ ರೆಫರ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ ಸೊ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬೈ ಡೆಪ್ರಿಸಿಯೇಷನ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಅಂತ ಬರ್ದಿದ್ದೇನೆ 31st March 2012 ಡೆಪ್ರಿಸಿಯೇಷನ್ ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ 1,500 and 31st March 2013 ಗೆ ಡೆಪ್ರಿಸಿಯೇಷನ್ ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ ಆನ್ ಮಷೀನ್ ಪಿ 2,850 ಟೋಟಲ್ 4,350 from this 30,000 minus 4,350 remaining amount is 25,650. So the book value of machine P as on 31st March 2013 is 25,650. So depreciation ಎಲ್ಲ less ಮಾಡಿದ್ಮೇಲೆ 31st March 2013 ಗೆ ಈ machine P ನ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ 25,650. ಸೊ ಈ machine P ಅನ್ನ ನಾವು ಎಷ್ಟು ರುಪೀಸಿಗೆ ಮಾರಿದ್ದೇವೆ for rupees 25,600 sale price. So the selling price is 25,600. So 31st March 2013 ಗೆ actual value ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ of machine P 25,650. but ಅದೇ ಸೇಮ್ machine P ಅನ್ನ ನಾವು ಎಷ್ಟು ರುಪೀಸಿಗೆ ಮಾರಿದ್ದೇವೆ 25,600 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಏನಾಗಿದೆ 50 rupees ಲಾಸ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. Actual value is 25,650 and we have sold this machine P for rupees 25,600. So 50 rupees loss again. Therefore, loss on sale is 25,650 minus 25,600. So difference amount is rupees 50. So ಈ transaction ಮೇಲೆ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಏನಾಗಿದೆ 50 rupees loss ಆಗಿದೆ. And this loss we will record in machinery account credit side. ಮಷೀನ್ ಸೇಲ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟ್ ಆದ್ರೆ ಡೆಬಿಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ ನಾವು ಅದನ್ನ ರೆಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಲಾಸ್ ಆದ್ರೆ ಆನ್ ಸೇಲ್ ಆಫ್ ಮಷಿನರಿ we have to record credit side. Let's move to machinery account. So machinery account credit side ಬರೀರಿ. See here 31st March 2013 buy loss on sale. ಸೊ ಈ ಸೆಲ್ಲಿಂಗ್ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಮೇಲೆ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಏನಾಗಿದೆ 50 rupees ಲಾಸ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಬೈ ಲಾಸ್ ಆನ್ ಸೇಲ್ ಅಮೌಂಟ್ is 50 rupees. Just we have calculated in note 1. So all the transactions are over related to financial year 2012 to 13. Depreciation calculate ಮಾಡಾಯ್ತು, machine Q purchase ಮಾಡಿದೆ ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಪಾಸ್ ಮಾಡಾಯ್ತು, machine P ಸೆಲ್ ಮಾಡಿದೆ ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಪಾಸ್ ಮಾಡಾಯ್ತು, ದೆನ್ ಲಾಸ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅದನ್ನು ಸಹ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಾಯ್ತು ಮತ್ತು ಆ ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಸಹ ಪಾಸ್ ಮಾಡಾಯ್ತು. ಸೊ ಆಲ್ ದಿ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸಾಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟೆಡ್ ಆಫ್ 2012 to 13. Now close the debit side. 28,500 plus 24,000. Total is 52,500. That the same amount credit side 52,500. From this 52,500 minus 2,850 minus 600 minus 25,600 minus 50 rupees minus all these four amount. So the difference amount is 23,400. To that right 31st March 2013 by balance carried down 23,400. Same amount will be brought down to the next year. So next financial year is 1st April 2013 to balance brought down 23,400. Next we'll calculate depreciation of machine Q. Machine P is already sold. So now we'll calculate depreciation on machine Q. Write the date 31st March 2014 by depreciation account. So the now machine value is 23,400. Okay, we have to calculate the depreciation on the written down value and not the original value. Original value is there 24,000. But after deducting the depreciation amount, the 600, the value of machine Q is 23,400. Rate of depreciation is 10%. 23,400 into 10%. Depreciation amount is 2,340. Okay. Close the debit side. That is 23,400. Write same amount. Credit side 23,400. From this 23,400 minus depreciation amount, that is 2,340. Difference amount is 21,060. So write 31st March 2014 by balance carried down 21,060, and same amount will be brought down to the next year, that is 1st April 2014 to balance brought down 21,060. So 3 years machinery account is completed. 11 to 12, 12 to 13 and 13 to 14. So 14 ಗೆ last entry ಅನ್ನ pass ಮಾಡಿ ಅದನ್ನ close ಮಾಡಿ. Two balance brought down 21,060. So this is the machinery account. Next we have to prepare depreciation account for 3 years. So ಈ machinery account ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಎಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲಿ depreciation account ಅಂತ ಬರೆದಿದ್ದೇವೆ, all these entries we have to take in depreciation account. See here. On 31st March 2012, buy depreciation account. On 31st March 2013, buy depreciation account on P machinery, buy depreciation account on Q machinery. And last, on 31st March 2014, buy depreciation account on machine Q. Let's prepare the depreciation account. Depreciation account. Columns are same. So, in machinery account, what we do? Credit side, we record depreciation amount by depreciation account and the amount. Here, depreciation account is debited. Okay, for depreciation, the entry is depreciation account debited to machinery account. So, debit side of depreciation account, right? Okay, for preparing this depreciation account, please refer the machinery account. So it will be very easy to prepare this depreciation account. Machinery account ಅನ್ನ ರೆಫರ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ depreciation account ಅನ್ನ ಪ್ರಿಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡುವಾಗ ಈಸಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So first depreciation amount ಯಾವಾಗಿದೆ? See the machinery account on 31st March 2012 to machinery account, that is on machine P. So machine P ಮೇಲೆ depreciation amount ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ? 1,500. Same amount will be transferred to profit and loss account. So right here 31st, same date, 31st March 2012, by profit and loss account amount is 1,500. Save and close this. Next is on 31st March 2030. There you will find two depreciation amount. One is on machine P and another is on machine Q. So right here, two machinery account. On machine P, the depreciation amount is, see the machinery account. On machine P, depreciation amount is 2,850 and on machine Q, 600. And total of these two, 3,450. Credit side right. 31st March 2013. Buy profit and loss account same amount 3,450. And close this. And the last one on 31st March 2014. To machinery account that is on machine Q. Here P and Q machinery. Depreciation amount last 2,340. And here 31st March 2014 by profit and loss account 2,340 and close this. Okay, this is the depreciation account. I hope you liked the video. Please subscribe my channel and share with your friends. Thank you everyone.